G'day guys, Matty from F.S.A Sessions Australia. Today I'm going to show you how to wire up the DC to DC charger I've got in the back of the car. So you might have seen the other episode, I've put the dual battery in behind the back seat. If you haven't, recommend going back and watching it because it's pretty damn cool. Let's get into it. So my DC to DC charger is just there, it's a red arc one. This you connect to the main battery, so we'll be running a lead all the way out through the back along the chassis and up to the main battery. We've got your power coming from the DC to DC charger, which charges the auxiliary battery, which all I've got to do is connect up. I've already connected all that up, which is awesome. The negative, need to earth that out, and because it's a ute, apparently sometimes the earths aren't really that good, so I'm going to run the earth from the battery down to here as well, and we're just going to stick them all on the same one, so that way I know I've got a good earth. Everything's going to go out through the back wall, so we'll get this back carpet off and I'll show you as to go from there. That'll give you enough access to get down to this plug here. I've already cut a hole through the top, and that'll pop out just here, which is awesome. So I got my conduit, just feeding it on. It is time consuming, but at least you know it gives it that extra protection, which is awesome. So I just cable tied what I need up here so I don't pull it all the way through. Run it down, all the way down, along through the chassis, coming out at the end there, back here, run it back into the cab, back down, putting it out, so it comes through there, put it out through one of the vents. We've got to connect the power up to there, so we'll do that and then we'll wire it all up. So I'm just wiring it all up. I'm just going to solder this together. I'll have to electrical tape it up because I don't have any heat shrink, which sucks, but I have that all wired up. So the blue is the ignition wire, so I'm going to run that all the way down the side of the doors and up to that adder circuit. So there's the adder circuit, that runs all the way down to the blue ignition wire on the DC to DC charger. I chose that fuse as that turns on as soon as the ignition turns on and stays on while the car's running, so it's perfect for your ignition source. So I've pushed through all the wires now, I've siliconed it all up on both sides. Now just connect it all up, it should be good to go. So that's all connected, it all running, positive and negative. This drops down, back of the car, pops back up right here that we've siliconed it all up. So we'll start putting everything back together and tie it all up. All wired up. There's one thing I didn't show you, and that was I forgot to run the negative down to the earth on the battery, so make sure you do that, otherwise the charger doesn't know the battery's there and it won't charge. But we're charging good now. Start the car, it's charging, which is awesome. So any questions, hit me up in the comments below and I'll keep bringing the videos to you. See ya.